Hi, kindergartners. Today we are going to start a new text set, and the new text set is called Sharing the Earth Animals. So each book in this text set will talk about animals, and it'll even include some information about their habitats and their physical attributes and their behaviors, which is perfect for what we are learning about with our zoo animals right now. So the first book in our text set is called Rain, and Rain is by an author and illustrator named Manya Stojic. And the setting of this book is the African savanna. So some of you might have learned that your zoo animal's habitat is the African savanna, and you might even see your zoo animal as part of this book. Rain, written and illustrated by Manya Stojic. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. A porcupine sniffed around. "It's time," she whispered. "The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras." Lightning flashed. "The rain is coming," said the zebras. Porcupine can smell it. We can see it. We must tell the baboons." Thunder boomed. "The rain is coming," cried the baboons. Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell Rhino. A raindrop splashed. "The rain is here," said the Rhino. Porcupine smelled it. The zebras saw it. The baboons heard it. And I felt it. I must tell the lion. The lion spoke in a deep purr. "Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And," he sighed, "I can taste it." It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long, feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. So the rain is so important. You can remember in the pictures at the beginning of the book, everything was dry. Notice the difference between the colors that we see, this dry red cracked soil and the dry brownish yellow grass. And after the rain, the plants are lush and green. The trees are growing new leaves. Flowers are growing. "I can't taste the rain now," purred the lion, "but I can enjoy the shade of these big green leaves." "I can't feel the rain now," said the rhino, "but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud." "We can't hear the rain now," shouted the baboons, "but we can eat the fresh, juicy fruit from the trees." We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole. I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. The sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out. The red soil was hot and dry. A tiny crack appeared. So, kindergartners, if you go to the Write About Reading activity on Seesaw, you will see that I have linked a video, a National Geographic Kids video that talks about Africa. And it has a little part in there that talks about the African savanna. And so you'll learn some information about the African savanna. And then when you finish watching the video, I have a writing activity for you to do. I just want you to draw a picture and record yourself telling one thing that you learned about the savannah, either from this book or from the video. And it could be about an animal that lives there. It could be about the two seasons that happen in the savannah, the wet season and the dry season. It could be something else that you found out about the savannah from either this book or the video that I put the link on the writing activity. Be sure to share your work with me, and I can't wait to see what you learned. Thank you.